This is a 10 minutes dinner that I make when I have no energy to cook, but still want something full of protein and delicious. Tomato tofu, or đảo sốt sa chua. I learned it when I used to live in Vietnam, and I still make it all the time. This is one of those meals that I turn to when I want something quick, full of protein, and delicious. I first learned how to make it when I used to live in Hanoi, and it slowly became a staple in our household. It's so simple, comforting, and so satisfying. This dish comes together in less than 10 minutes. It's simple ingredients that we all have in the fridge. I usually like to serve it with rice and let everything soak into this amazing sauce. It really brings me back to Vietnam. I really hope you enjoy this warm and comforting dish as much as I do. Until next week, Tschüssi!